So how did we go from great results yesterday, the market being green, to everything crashing down today? Very simple. I know a lot of you guys have probably been in relationships before. If you've been in a relationship, let me know in the comments if you had a toxic one where you completely knew she wasn't good for you. You knew he wasn't good for you. But on that right day, you had that right drink. Y'all just had a great day and you had some makeup sex. And you like, man, I think we can make this work, babe. She like, man, you right. I know I'm crazy, but let's make this work. Fireworks, everything great. You're excited. Then you wake up the next day and you realize nothing really changed. She's still batshit crazy. You see her, she doing batshit crazy things, and he's still insecure. And you have to deal with reality. That's where we at right now. Yesterday, the market had some good makeup sex, and Jerome Powell basically told people kind of what they wanted to hear. Ripped the band-aid off. Market like, yay. Then today, people woke up like, gas price is still $5. I can't find no baby formula anywhere. Yeah, we still dealing with that WAR in Ukraine. Okay, that didn't change. Eggs still cost a lot more. And you like, okay. So basically, whenever no fundamentals change in the market, the ecosystem, whatever going on, it's usually a dead cat bounce. It's usually just some great excitement for that moment or that time. And it's going to go to regular scheduled programming. So the market is not even open yet, but they're saying we're going to fall 500 or 400 points from the get-go, from the beginning. So that's going to erase all those gains we had yesterday. And we're going back to it. I see crypto is back falling. You have to understand. So this is nothing but just more opportunity. You have to learn. This is the greatest year to learn the stock market, to understand what's going on. Because you make it through all this crazy stuff, you're going to be able to make it through anything. That's how some of us veteran investors are chill when everything is going to hell, because it's not our first time seeing the market do this. If this is your first time being in that crazy relationship, yeah, it shock you. And you learn to stay away from all them crazies and get what you want. And hey, it's a learning lesson. But I think everybody be okay. I'm looking at it as a buying opportunity. I'm going to finally probably start buying some Amazon stock this week using Moomoo. Click the link in the bio. Get signed up. And I don't know what you guys going to buy. It's going to be interesting to see how everybody responded after that Fed meeting, because inflation is still going higher. Jerome Powell want to end inflation under 2%, but at the rate we're going to end the year off about 3.2 to 4%, and it's bad. So until we be able to get inflation completely handled, under wrap, to be able to get these gas prices down, nothing is going to really change. So, and we still got the real estate market crash to come. So I believe we have bigger dips to come. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm about to go work it out. Go work it out. Go work out. It's leg day today. Best leg day ever today. Let's get it. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you.